Ukraine's intelligence services accused China of hacking days before the invasion. According to Ukrainian intelligence assessments received by British daily newspaper The Times, China reportedly conducted a huge cyber attack against Ukraine's military and nuclear installations in the run-up to Russia's invasion of Ukraine. According to the report, Ukraine's security service stated that the Chinese government attempted to hack more than 600 websites belonging to the government and other vital organizations. The assaults, according to the security service, began before the conclusion of the 2022 Winter Olympic Games in Beijing and accelerated the day before Russian forces invaded Ukraine on February 23. According to the agency, China attempted to hack into many organizations, including Ukraine's military forces, National Bank, and Railway Authority. According to the study, the attacks were designed to steal data and impair or shut down the country's defense and essential infrastructure. Ukrainian officials have also accused Russians of targeting many Ukrainian government websites in the weeks and days preceding up to the invasion, including the parliament and the foreign and defense ministries. Although China has not openly stated its support or opposition to the Ukrainian conflict, some observers believe it is assisting behind the scenes. Experts, however, were quick to point out that cooperation between the two countries is very improbable because China's cyber playbook differs from Russia's. In general, when we talk about China and cyberspace, we're talking about cyber espionage rather than cyber attacks, said Josephine Wolf, an associate professor of cybersecurity policy at Tufts University Fletcher School. According to the experts, Chinese actors prefer to target their victims through cyber espionage in order to gather intelligence and steal intellectual property and trade secrets rather than disrupt and impair critical infrastructure networks and activities. The experts said they had not seen any solid proof that China is assisting Russia in launching cyber attacks against Ukraine. I doubt the Russians would seek China's assistance in this, said Michael Daniel, president and CEO of Cyber Threat Alliance. Russia has a lot of cyber capabilities on its own. That type of partnership is tough for me to conceive, he remarked. The Chinese and Ukrainian embassies, as well as the White House Office of the National Cyber Director, did not reply to requests for comment. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, share and subscribe.